We're out here with Juliet, Starkey Wilderness, these hiking trails. And the bottle I brought for Juliet started leaking all over my pack. It's not supposed to do that. He was tired. Yeah, buddy. Julie decided to turn around. She's overheating. So she turned around on her own. She's like, I had to go back. So we're gonna go back and get some water. Come on, girl. You can't make it? I told your mommy that you can't make it this far. There you go. Starkey Park. The hiking trails are fun to run. Julie and I, we made it back to the car, and I gave her a bunch of water to drink. For more trail running videos, please subscribe.